Today, let's talk about second day of creation. What Bible says about it?
In the beginning, God created heavens and the earth. God said, "Let there be light," and the light shined. On the second day, God separated water from the sky.
On the second day, God looked out over the world, and there was water everywhere, and also there were no air. This is what it was look like. Then God spoke and said,
Let there be sky to divide the waters.
and so God separated the water. He called the space between the clouds and oceans sky. If you want to make the same project, look how easy it is. For this project, you will need an empty jar with a lid, white foam balls, any kind of clear baby oil, also some water and blue food color. Start with empty jar. Add some water and a few drops of blue food color. Mix it. Now add some baby oil. Add white foam balls. Little tip: if you want to make sure it won't leak, just spread a little bit of hot glue on the lid. Make sure it's closed properly. I also have another good example. For this project, you will need a big Ziploc, clear hair gel or clear glue, blue water beads or blue gel beads, or blue pom-poms. You will also need white pom-poms, or you can use the cotton balls. If you want to remove that white stuff on a Ziploc, use alcohol pad. Open Ziploc and add some clear hair gel or clear glue. I prefer hair gel. Now, few drops of blue food color. This step is optional. Close the bag and mix it. Now add your blue water beads or blue pom-poms, also white pom-poms or cotton balls. Mix it very well. Now, using your tips of the fingers, not the fingernails, squeeze up pom-poms as it is the sky, and water beads to the bottom as it is the water. On the first day, water was everywhere, but on the second day, God divided water, Now we have oceans, sky, and air.
Give thanks to the Lord of Lords, who by his understanding made the heavens, who spread out the earth upon the waters. Psalm 136.
I hope you liked both of our projects today. And your homework is to make one of them, or maybe both.
Bye bye. See you next time.